Hi, Megan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I want to kind of start this off with a little bit of a I am listening, I promise. There have been videos in the past on my YouTube channel that a lot of your comments have been, we can't hear you. And like, that's the one thing you really need to get right on YouTube, right? So it was really, not sad for me, but like embarrassing that it just like, you couldn't hear me. So I have taken the next step and invested in a better microphone. It's the DJI mic set. There's one here and then I have another one here as backup. Hopefully this will cover this problem, and I'm going to actually take down those old videos and re-record them for you, because it overall seemed like from your comments everything was helpful if you could hear it. If you couldn't hear it, then it was a bit of a problem. Fair enough, right? So if you see and you're subscribed to the channel, which I really hope you would be, but if you're subscribed to the channel and you see some videos coming back that are like, didn't she do that before? Or like, why is her hair color so different? One, my hair color changes all the time, but two, it's an old video that is being re-edited, recut, and made sure that you can actually hear what I'm saying. So let's get into why we're here today. I'm going to do an unboxing of this super pack of seeds I got from Amazon. Now, I got this mostly because I'm not a prepper, or I'm not, someone that can, I don't know. I wanted to just kind of get a mishmash of seeds and see what I could grow. Unfortunately, I got it in July. So a lot of it is, it's too late to plant everything. So I'm hopeful that things will will stay okay until next year, except I already gave it a shot for one of them and I'll tell you about it later. I'm gonna be unboxing this guy, and I guess not unboxing as it's clearly already opened and some water got on it, which is why it's, the dovetailing is a little split, but I just want to show you what's in it and let you know my opinion on if it's worthwhile or not. So let's go down and let's dive in and check it out. Okay, so this is the seed box, and as you can see, it comes with a set of gloves, which if you've ever bought anything off of Amazon, you already have this set of gloves. So I usually just trash these or keep them for backups. These ones do have like claws on them, but from the reviews I've read, those claws are never really great. So just FYI, it only comes with one set of claws. So if you're left-handed like I am, not really helpful. Okay. Now, like I said, I've already opened this and gone through it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like in here. So one, I really do like this box, even though I got water on it and you can see it's swelled. But it's a nice seed storage. I might try and just use a rubber mallet and see if I can dovetail this all back in together. And it comes with this, which is very helpful for people like me who have ADHD and are super impulsive and think like, oh, I just want to start growing some stuff. And it gives you a very simple idea of, you probably shouldn't grow it now. And fun fact, the one crop that I did try to grow already, which I'll show you in a second, is the only one that it had like 1 week in August that it was still good to do. And I think it was sweet corn. It's in here somewhere. But just want to let you see, like, it has everything broken up pretty well. And then it has the little guide here. So I find this to be really helpful, especially for new gardeners or people who just want a quick reference. I like that it lives right in here very easily, and you don't have to really worry about anything like that. So here are all the seeds. Now, they are not, to my understanding, really organized in any sort of way. I can't really tell. Like, you can see, like, some of them are even upside down and some of them aren't. So you're really gonna have to go through these in the beginning and organize them however you want, if you want to do it alphabetically or by, you know, the type of crop, whatever, it's up to you. But I already, as you can see, opened up the corn, and I had to write it down so that I remembered which one it was. But we're gonna go and show you what those look like. But let me just show you, since these are already open. Apparently this is gonna be a whole thing right now. Come on. So there you go, you can see. So these are legit, you know, they're not just strange crop or strange seeds from China that God knows what you get. But so I would probably recommend this if you are a new gardener or just want somebody who appreciates bulk. I'd recommend giving it a shot. So let's now go and show you my one crop that I gave a shot. Definitely don't need to be that close to my face. Okay, so we are going outside in my yard and going to show you the one crop that I have started to grow, even though it's so late in the season. That is the corn. So again, this, as of this filming, it is mid-September, and I planted these the first week of August. So do I expect to get crops? I don't know, probably not, but they have germinated. And if you're curious why there's nothing over here, it's because the squirrels came in and dug out a bunch of soil in my planter. So that's why. But so far, the 5 seeds I planted, 2 are growing, and we might be able to get a crop. I doubt it, but it's good to see that they are at least viable. So yeah, there you have it. Like I said, the corn seems to be coming in-ish. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything out of it this year since I planted it so late, but you know, what the hell? Give it a shot, see how it goes. Now, if you like this video, could you do me a favor? Could you hit the like button? It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job and will help spread it out to more people. And if you want to find out more fun plant facts, or, you know, watch me just go further and further into plant debt, please subscribe to the channel because I release new content all the time and would love to help you also become a plant hoarder. Now, my next video, I'm going to show you another unboxing, and it is going to be one that is a plant destroyer. I need it. It needs to happen. So we're gonna go into that next time. But in the meantime, if you could like this, subscribe, because you will wanna see this new power tool that I got. But last thing, actually, if you could leave a comment and let me know if you have found a good pack set of seeds and what you've been growing out of the seeds, I'd love to know. I'd love to know if there are really cool other kits out there besides this one that people are into. So yeah, leave a comment and let me know if you have found any other seed packs that you're really into. I'd love to see that. See you later.